wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best lens hoods for Canon. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Bluebeach ES68 replacement is made to be used with the EF 50mm f1.8 STM lens. If you lost your old hood or have just always wanted to own one, then this selection has you covered and will cost you less than half the price of the OEM version. It fits extremely well and doesn't feel flimsy. However, no accessories are included with it. At number 9, with its low price tag, the veatree set is a perfect choice for beginners. It's offered in sizes ranging from 52mm up to 77mm. In this package, you'll get 2 different hoods, a center pinch lens cap and a microfiber cleaning cloth. The collapsible piece has 3 stages, and it usually won't obstruct photos, but the cap falls off too easily. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Available in 6 different sizes, the Waka set has everything you'll need to head outside and capture some beautiful scenery. It includes a tulip flower hood that uses a metal attachment ring, which is mounted with a system of ball bearings rather than screws. This is a reversible design that'll work with Nikon and Sony. However, it is difficult to remove. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for lens hoods for Canon, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, while it's a bit pricier than most of the other models available, you won't find many options as reliable as the Canon EW63C. It's a sturdy reversible choice, and since it's an officially branded product, you can be confident that it'll fit just right. You simply twist it on to connect it, and it reduces glare from the sides, but it only works with STM lenses. Moving up our list to number 6, the birugear 58mm tulip flower will fit the internal focus lenses used with popular EOS models. It's a fairly basic selection that can be a little difficult for some people to attach, but once it's on, it won't easily be shaken off. This one's made to be rotated and gives cameras a professional look. However, the threads are not particularly strong. Halfway up our list at number 5, the camkix set of 2 comes with collapsible and tulip flower options. Additionally, the included lens cap allows you to avoid damaging your expensive equipment, while a cleaning cloth can be used to wipe away dirt and smudges. It's available in multiple sizes and costs less than $10, but it can occasionally cause vignetting. At number 4, the Big Mike's tulip flower is intended for 58mm lenses and works great with Rebel or EOS cameras. This selection is able to prevent unwanted flares just like you'd expect, but what you'll really appreciate is its low price point. It can alleviate the need for Photoshop and is a good alternative to a cap. However, it obstructs the zoomed view in some lenses. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you enjoy taking pictures at a distance with your telephoto lens, you'll want a ceari 58mm to make your photos look their best. This selection is made from strong metal that'll help protect your camera from impact damage. It won't affect the functions of the motors and is available for a wide range of lenses. It comes with a cleaning cloth. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for lens hoods for Canon, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Altura Photo EW63C replacement is modeled after the actual Canon version and can be used with the EFS 18 to 55mm STM lens. It's reversible, which makes it easy for you to store in a camera bag without the need for disassembly. It's not difficult to attach and works with filters. It's made from sturdy plastic. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the xtech Essential 58mm accessory kit includes 2 hoods, one made from hard plastic and another that's soft rubber. This set features many additional pieces of gear, all of which a budding photographer might find useful. It's great for the Rebel line of cameras and comes with 3 different filters and a table tripod. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for lens hoods for Canon, or simply click beneath this video.